With real-time analytics, Kartra can help you visualize your funnels with real data extracted from your campaigns. To access real-time analytics, go to Funnels, Analytics, Real-Time. From here, select the funnel you created before. You'll get similar controls as before. Let's make this full screen. Let's dive into the concept of how this works first. Real-time analytics requires the use of UTM parameters. These are variables that you add at the end of your links. These will be recognized by Kartra and logged in your funnel. If you already have a link with UTM parameters, you can paste it here, and Kartra will automatically import them. The 5 UTM parameters that we're going to cover are UTM source, medium, campaign, content, and term. UTM source tracks the traffic source. For example, I can enter TikTok here as the source of the lead. UTM medium tracks the type of channel that your lead came from. For example, organic social, cost per click ads, or email. UTM campaign tracks the campaign from which the link is associated. This can be the name of your campaign. I'll be using Marketing Masterclass. Please note that spaces cannot be used in UTM parameters. Instead, I'll be using an underscore. UTM content is useful when you have multiple sources of content pointing towards the same link. It's great for when you're split testing your traffic. For example, I'll put UGC ad here. UTM term is used to track certain keywords or key phrases. For example, free marketing course or marketing masterclass. The way you plan to use UTM parameters is totally up to you, and there are various valuable resources out there to help you maximize your UTM tracking. Okay, now we've got our UTM parameters complete for our TikTok card. What we need to do now is create links with these UTM parameters. We've got our homepage here, and this is its direct link. I want to create a specific link that tracks any lead that is sourced from TikTok through organic social media from our Marketing Masterclass campaign. Please note that your UTM parameters need to match the exact variables you put in for the desired traffic card. There are various UTM link generators that you can use online, but for this scenario, let's run through how it's made manually. The first UTM parameter will start with a question mark. This marks the rest of the link as variables and is required for Kartra to understand the link. An important note is that the UTM parameters following the first parameter will start with an ampersand, as you'll see soon. Let's start with our UTM source. At the end of our link, we'll add question mark, UTM underscore source equals TikTok. For UTM medium, at the end of the same link, we'll add ampersand, UTM underscore medium equals organic. For UTM campaign, we'll add another ampersand, UTM underscore campaign equals marketing underscore masterclass. The same concept applies to UTM content and term. Great! Now we've got our UTM link created for our TikTok traffic card. You can place it wherever you plan to use it. Anyone who clicks this link will be tracked throughout the funnel with those specific UTM parameters and display accordingly on the real-time analytics, and you can filter your analytics with the filter box on the top right. Keep in mind that if this link is not used at the source of your traffic, these UTM parameters will not be tracked. Now I can repeat the process for my other traffic sources and use those links accordingly.